Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accomplished. 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 Accomplished is an adjective used to describe someone who has achieved a high level of skill, expertise, or success in a particular area or field. It can also refer to someone who has successfully completed tasks, goals, or missions. Here are some examples. Example number 1. She is an accomplished pianist who has performed at prestigious venues around the world. Why accomplished is used in example number 1. Accomplished is used to describe her high level of skill and expertise in playing the piano. It emphasizes her success as a pianist. Example number 2. She is not only an accomplished scientist, but also a dedicated educator. Why accomplished is used in example number 2. Accomplished underscores her success as a scientist and her commitment to education. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.